In Japanese philosophy, there's this concept which says that order is a mirror of your mind. And in today's video, we're going to learn how you can clear your mind in less than 1 hour. So what's this magical habit that will achieve this transformation in less than 1 hour? You know that I don't like to waste any more of your time, guys. This simple habit is just cleaning your room. I said it, it's just cleaning your room. You can leave this video right now. How clean your room is a direct representation of your mental clarity. Your bedroom is a direct representation of how your mind is. Because this is almost like the question of the chickens and the eggs. What came first, the chicken or the egg? Well, this is the same. What came first? Your mind being a mess or your room being a mess? Well, more likely than not, it is your mind. When your mind is a complete mess, you tend to just throw the clothes on the floor, just to do all sorts of things, which leaves your space like a complete mess. But the interesting thing is that if you clean up your space, the space where you spend the most time in, you also clean up your mind, because if you have a clean space where you can just look at it and it gives you peace, your mind will naturally become more peaceful. You will be less stressed. Your mind will not be in a state of alert saying, oh, I need to find my glasses, where are they? And this also builds up your discipline, because if you wake up and the very first thing in the morning that you do is to do your bed, is to open up the windows, and is to make your space a little bit more tidy, a little bit more clean, you will set your body into the motion, you will set your body into that inertia of just doing things right, of just doing the things that will get you through a better life, instead of just waking up and scrolling through your phone, hitting the snooze button, and then just leaving your bed not done and just eating whatever thing they find in the kitchen. Like the very first thing is a bar of chocolate, for example. You just set these standards for your entire day and for your life. The way that you do the small things is how you will do the big things in the future. And as always, so stay patient because your prophecy is unfolding. Clean up your room. I love you. Goodbye. I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.